Hello everyone, I'm Sohardi Amir from Quizzes Indonesia. Do you know that Quizzes has a feature that can enhance your interactivity with your student through an interactive videos? Let's take a look at how to use it. The first step you need to take is to log into Quizzes by typing quizzes.com in your browser address bar. Then select sign in and continue using your respective Quizzes account. Once you're on the Quizzes dashboard, select create in this section. Then click interactive video. The interactive video in Quizzes has three menus that you can choose from according to your needs. You can use existing interactive videos on Quizzes or upload your own videos from your device. You can also upload videos directly from your Google Drive or OneDrive. Let's try the Quizzes library feature. In this tab, you can see several popular channels that are available, such as Khan Academy, Crash Course, Math with Mr. J, and others. To make it easier to search for lesson topics, you can use the search box. For example, if I want to search for arithmetic, we can specify which grade and subject this material is for. Then, click the search button, and amazingly, many videos related to the topic we need will appear here. Not only that, if you scroll down, this video is already equipped with several questions that can be used directly in class. To use it in class, you can select the preview menu to see it directly without student needing devices. You can also assign it as a homework by selecting the Assign button. Before sharing it with your student, make sure you have set the speed control, allow caption, and prevent seeking so that student won't be able to skip ahead in the video. Cool, right? If all settings are correct, click Assign and copy the link to share with your students. To see the progress report of your students, you can visit the report feature and click on the quiz name. If you think the time for completion is up, you can manually end it by clicking the End button in this corner. Let's return to the main menu of interactive video feature. We will practice how to insert a video from YouTube to make it an interactive video. To do this, click the Use Any YouTube Video menu. Then paste the YouTube video link in this search box. After you paste the YouTube video link, the video will automatically appear. Before adding question, drag the edges of the seek bar below the video to trim it to your desired timestamp. Once you determine where the video will start, click Proceed. You can add two things to your video: question and note. To add a question in the video, specify at which minute the question will be added. For example, I want the question to appear at the second minute. Click Add a Question and select the type of question you will use. For example, multiple choice. Enter the question here, the answer choices, and don't forget to specify the correct answer. To set the answering duration for your student, click in this section and specify how many seconds or minutes you want. The same goes for this point for this question. Once finished, click the Save button in this section. Your question will automatically appear in the video, marked with a small white button. If you feel adjustment are needed, just click Edit button. If you want to add additional note to this video, you can click Add a Note. And first determine at which minute you will add the note. For example, I will add an additional note at the 3rd minute. Next, click Add a Note, type your additional note, and then click Save Note. If all question and additional note have been entered, click Preview to see the video before giving it to students. If you think it's ready to be given to your student, click Publish. In this dialog box, enter the quiz name, specify the subject, grade level, language used in this interactive video, and its visibility. You can also add a cover image here. If you already have a cover image, click Upload from Device. If you don't have one, you can search for it in the search box. Once everything is complete, the next step is to click Publish. To conduct the quiz, it's the same as the previous steps. However, if you already have your own video, you can upload it to your Google Drive on OneDrive, or you can upload the video directly from your device. A key note here is that the video must be in MP4 format and less than 500 MB. Here, I will demonstrate uploading from my device. I click Upload from your device, then select the video to upload. After the video is successfully uploaded, click proceed. In addition to adding question and note, we can also utilize Quizizz AI to generate question based on the video. To do this, we just click generate question using artificial intelligence. In no time, several questions will appear. Very convenient, right? Once everything is complete, we just click publish and complete the data from your interactive video. That's explanation that how to use an interactive videos feature in Quizizz. Thank you for watching and see you next video.